Welcome to the Beginner's Guide to Revolut Currency Exchange. This tutorial will walk you through the process of exchanging currency using the Revolut app. Revolut is a digital banking app that allows you to exchange currency at competitive rates with minimal fees. To get started, you need to download and install the Revolut app on your mobile device. Once you have set up your account, you can add money to your account using a debit or credit card. The money will be added to your Revolut account in the currency of your choice. The next step is to navigate to the currency exchange section of the app. This can be found by tapping on the currency symbol at the top of the home screen. From here, you can select the currency you want to exchange from and the currency you want to exchange to. Revolut offers competitive exchange rates with minimal fees, often lower than those offered by traditional banks. The app also provides real-time exchange rates, so you can see exactly how much you will get for your money. When exchanging currency, you have two options. You can exchange money immediately at the current rate, or you can set up an alert to notify you when the rate reaches a certain level. This can be useful if you are waiting for a specific rate before making an exchange. In addition to exchanging currency, Revolut also offers a range of other features, including the ability to hold and exchange multiple currencies, send money abroad, and spend money abroad with a Revolut card. The app also provides a detailed record of all your transactions, making it easy to keep track of your spending. To give you a practical example, let's say you are traveling to Europe and you need to exchange your money from dollars to euros. You can use the Revolut app to exchange your dollars to euros at the current rate, and then use your Revolut card to spend your euros while you are abroad. In terms of best practices, it's always a good idea to check the current exchange rate before making an exchange, and to consider setting up an alert to notify you when the rate reaches a certain level. You should also be aware of any fees associated with exchanging currency, and make sure you have enough money in your account to cover the exchange. Overall, Revolut provides a convenient and cost-effective way to exchange currency, and its range of features make it a great option for anyone who travels abroad or needs to send money internationally. By following the steps outlined in this tutorial, you can start exchanging currency with confidence and make the most of the Revolut app.